In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to locate and open Photos app. Now select Collections at the bottom left corner on the right and tap on any folder from which you want to delete your photos, like this one. Then tap on Select at the top right corner here and select All at the top left one. Now to keep any of those photos, tap at the bottom right corners of the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and confirm my choice in the pop-up, I can see that all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!